Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing, first time unboxing and review video for Ecovacs Deebot, which is basically a robot mop as well as vacuum cleaner for your home. Okay, this would be very much helpful for people who stays alone and finds it difficult to clean their house daily. So without wasting too much of time, let's see what do we have here. Okay, if you can see, this is the box. I bought it from Amazon for somewhere around 13K, but I believe the price keeps on changing based on different offers and everything. Okay, so this is sealed. I have not opened it. Let me open it for you. Basic Amazon packing, which looks good. Inside this carton, we have the actual product. The model name is Ecovacs Deebot Pro. Okay, vacuum mopping robot. It's a two-in-one vacuum mopping robot basically, which absorbs the dust as well as does the wet mopping, or in Hindi what you call pocha bhi lagata hai. Okay, this is how the box looks like. Okay, they have their own application as well, which you can download from either Apple Store or Google Play Store. Some key specification mentioned on the box: vacuums and mops. Okay, multiple cleaning modes for all your needs, and then Deebot now works for longer hours, which is 110 minutes. That's the company says. If you look at the bottom, it says the applications are available on these two stores. It works with Alexa as well as Google Assistant. Okay, let me open the seal as well. I don't think I should cut it actually. Just have to pull it. This is the main box. Sorry, please bear with me as I may have to adjust the camera a bit. This looks like a user manual to me. I'll look at it later on. On top, I do not see anything. Over here, I think these are the mops. Yeah, these are the mops along with some plastic back with it. And these are some filters. Okay, let's look at it on this side. I don't see anything. On the other side also I do not see anything. So let's keep it aside. This is the main thing, which is the robot. By the way, this particular item is pretty heavy. I would say it's like more than 5 kilos or so, or close to 5 kilos, I would say. This is the main component. Just a moment, please. Let me adjust the camera a bit. The tripod is not holding the weight of the camera, so please bear with me. Okay, now it's fine. This is the main robot. As I was mentioning, this is pretty heavy. It has adjustable wheels at the bottom. Then it also has the brush, rotating brush, and other stuffs. So I'll come to this part later on. Let me see what all I have, what else I have in the box. So here, okay. Next in the box are these brushes, I think, which you need to fit in the vacuum cleaner or the robot to start cleaning. Then this is the dock, charging dock. Show you how it looks. This is the charging dock which you can, put anywhere, any corner of your room or home. And I think with the help of app, this robot can automatically find the charging dock and goes there once the cleaning and everything is done. This is the power adapter for the charging dock. The power adapter says it is output is 19 volt with 0.5 amp of electricity. Okay, this comes with a pin like this. I think you can see it. Okay, what else? That's all in the box. Now let me do the setup first, and then I will come back with how this Ecovac vacuum cleaner works. Alright, after the complete setup, this is how the vacuum cleaner has started cleaning the room. The best part which I find about this vacuum cleaner is that it doesn't make a lot of noise. The vacuum setup which I have kept in the manual or in the menu as standard, and there is no sound at all, I would say. And one more thing, as you can see, there is a bit of a height from this floor, but it is actually able to climb that step without any issue, and cleaned it, which is very good. I was expecting that the machine will not be able to climb it, but I can see that it is able to. As I mentioned that this is a dry plus wet vacuum cleaner, so in case the water in your locality is salt water or hard water, please use purified water or soft water, so that the life of the water container is more. I can see a lot of dust under the table. So So the current pattern of the current cleaning pattern is zigzag, so it will not go in a straight direction. With this, it helps cleaning the entire house. I still have to learn the process of how this machine is understanding the the area of your house, the total area, so that it cleans in a specific pattern every day. That is something I still need to learn. But the good point is it doesn't make a lot of noise. It more or less can climb anything. With some other brands, I find it difficult, on cleaning on the mats. But here, as I can see, that it is cleaning the mats pretty easily without any problem. It is able to climb the mat. Also, any obstacle, a little bit of obstacle, I must say. If it is the height is too much, it will probably not be able to climb it. Yeah, but before the cleaning started today, the house was pretty much, dusty because I didn't clean it for a week or so. I stay away from my family due to hybrid working model, but so I don't clean the house every day. What I do is I clean the house like once in every week. So the house was pretty much dirty, I would say, in terms of dusts and everything. But with this machine, I can see that it is cleaning pretty well. I still don't understand the pattern that this machine is following. I mean, ideally from there it should go towards that side, the other side, but it is coming to the same place where it just came. Probably maybe for the first time it is understanding or making a diagram of the room. It's going below the bed. There's a lot of infrared lights in it. So guys, still an assumption till I see that the vacuum cleaner is returned to the charging dock. First time it didn't. Why? I am assuming that the power button was not switched on. Now I have switched it on. It is approaching the charging dock very slowly. I think it is. Yeah. It has just said as well that it's starting to charge. Yeah, I think so. We have got the answer. In order.
Please clean the cleaning cloth. Starting charging. Please clean the cleaning cloth. Starting charging.
It is saying please clean the cleaning cloth or the mop, and then starting the charging. Now this light is semi blinking, this is also blinking, that means all set. We can even see the charging status through the app as well. Alright, thank you. Alright, now I will show you how to remove the dust container as well as the water container. Dust and water container is the same one. So what you have to do, you have to towards the bottom front side of this robot. So this is the up side, this is the bottom side. Okay, you have this place, there is a push button here, so you just have to push it and pull it. Once again, let me show you. If you push this knob will come down, and
Mopping plate has been installed.
so this is how you install it, and uninstall is the same thing. Okay, now if you can see, this is the dust as well as the water container. You can see the water. Okay, in order to remove the dust container, what you do is there is a handle. You just pull the handle upwards, okay, and slowly, gently pull it upwards. That's it. Okay, you can see the dust inside. I hope you can see the dust inside. This is what the machine has collected while cleaning. All right, as I was mentioning that you should always use RO purified water and not the salt water. Maybe because if you use salt water, that might reduce the longevity of this container. So that's the reason I would recommend you to please use RO water. At the same time, you can also clean this mop. Okay, if you see, it is pretty much dirty after the clean. So this mop is basically act as a velcro. Okay, so you just, they've given such a function here that catches the other side of the cloth, so you can remove the cloth like this, and you can clean it up, and post cleaning you can again fit it back. I'll show you that as well. Let me clean it up. There is one more thing. How you can open this container is basically there is a press button. You can see press mentioned, so you just have to press it and pull it upwards. So this is how you can empty this dust container. You can see the dust inside. So all these dusts are collected during the cleaning process. Okay, that's it. It's pretty simple. Once again, you just press it and pull it upwards. Press here, and then pull it upwards, and then close it and slightly press it down. Okay, now I have added some water as well as some dishwash into it. I am using dishwash. If you can use any other detergent, don't use any rough detergent like surf or any cloth detergent. Instead, use the soft one like shampoo and everything. Okay, now let me show you fixing the front part or the dust container in it. This is the water container. Now I'll just okay, I think I'm doing it the wrong side, the wrong way. Yeah. No, I'm doing it the wrong way. One second. This is the upside down. Yeah, I'll have to push it like this. nothing wrong for sure. This side should be inside, and that's it. It's now fixed. Now I'll just put it back to the machine. Why am I using the cloth is because the moment you pour water into the water container, it keeps on releasing the water drops. If you can see, it's all wet. Now in order to push it inside, again press this button and gently push it inside and release. That's it. The moment you hear the noise, that means it has been fixed into its place. So that's about it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe and share. Thank you.